strong.
Welcome to Skyway Learners. From the first chapter, Real Numbers, we are going to see the first question of exercise number 1.1. Use Euclid's division algorithm to find the HCF of 135 and 225. First subdivision, 135 and 225. Since 225 is greater than 135, we apply Euclid's division lemma to 225 and 135. Divide 225 by 135. Dividend is 225, divisor is 135. 135 is 135, remainder is 90. Here 135 is greater than 90, therefore again divide. Now the dividend will be 135 and the divisor is 90. The remainder will become the divisor. 290 is 180, so here 190 is 90. Remainder is 45. Here the remainder is not equal to 0, therefore continue. This divisor will become as the dividend. 245 are 90. Remainder is 0. Here we can write it as 225 is equal to, that is dividend is equal to divisor 135 into quotient is 1 plus remainder is 90. Here the remainder is or is not equal to 0. Therefore, we have to continue the division. This remainder will become the divisor and this divisor, previous divisor will become as the dividend here. Therefore, 135 is equal to, that is dividend is equal to, divisor is 90 into quotient is 1 plus remainder is 45. So, the remainder is not equal to 0. The remainder is 45. We have to continue the division so that divisor of the previous division will become as the dividend here and the remainder will become the divisor. 90 is equal to, dividend is equal to, divisor is 45 into quotient is 2 plus remainder is 0. Here the remainder is equal to 0. So we have to stop here. For the HCF is 45. For HCF is equal to 45. Move on to second subdivision, that is HCF of 196 and 38,220. 38,220 is greater than 196. We apply division lemma to both 196 and 38,220. 38,220. Divisor is 196. First 3 digits. 196 is 196. Remainder is 186. Then 2, 9, 1764. 98. The 0 will come down. 0. 5 into 196 is 980. 980. Remainder is 0. Here we write the Euclid's lemma as 38,220 is equal to 196. Divisor is 196 into quotient is 195 plus remainder is 0. Here the remainder is equal to 0, so we have to stop the division here itself. Therefore, the HCF is 196. The divisor is 196, which is equal to HCF. Next, we move on to the third subdivision, HCF of 867 and 255. 867 is greater than 255. Apply Euclid's division lemma to 867 and 255. On dividing 867 by 255 into 255 is 765. 201. Here the remainder is 102, which is not equal to 0. So therefore we have to continue. This divisor will come here as the dividend. 2 into 102 is 204 1, 5. Here is also the remainder is not equal to 0. Here the remainder is 51. So therefore continue. Be the dividend. The dividend will be the divisor of the previous division. That is 102. 51 into 2, 102. Remainder is 0. So stop the division here itself. 867 is equal to, divisor is 255 into quotient is 3 plus remainder is 102. Here the remainder is not equal to 0. Therefore we are continuing the division. 255 is equal to, divisor is 102 into 2 plus remainder is 51. Here is also remainder is not equal to 0. Therefore we continue the division, and by using Euclid's lemma division we can write the next division as dividend is 102. Divisor is 51 into quotient is 2 plus 0. Here the remainder is equal to 0. Therefore stop here. HCF is the divisor of the last division, that is 51. Hope you understand how to find the HCF using Euclid's division lemma. If you have any doubts, please do write to us. Thank you.